I have 3 strips of medium well. When I do bacon, the bottom come crispy and the top comes medium well. And this would definitely be considered medium well. And I cut them down the middle. And do some bacon bits. I'm making frittata tonight. I want to throw some bacon in there. Could use more. Definitely do not use a sharp knife. Use a serrated for this because you don't want to cut your finger. Cutting finger is not PG-13. And I just sharpened this knife too, trying to make it a little easier. And there's my bacon bits. Separate them out. Everything tastes better with bacon. If you notice, I had the bacon sitting in a Ziploc bag with a paper towel to suck off some of that extra grease. And that's the easiest way to make bacon bits.